In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some top tips on how you can get started in real estate investing. Welcome to this latest episode of Tips on a Tuesday. My name is Liam Ryan and I am one of the co-founders of Assets for Life. We're a boutique property investment and educational company. I absolutely love business. I love property. I love to share my knowledge and experience with you so you can go out there and grow a property business. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that you need to know in order to start investing in UK property. Stay tuned also every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday at 7:30 p.m. for more videos. So let's fast forward, and you're now in a position where you are a professional property investor. Like many of my graduates, you've actually attended one of my courses, you've come and hung out with me, I've given you the system, I've given you the processes, the procedures, you've got the confidence, you've got the contracts, you know what to say and how to say it, and you've now gone out there and you've got your first ever property deal over the line. So what are you going to need to provide in order to complete on that purchase? The first thing that the agent is going to want from you is a copy of your ID, which is typically a passport. The second thing you're going to need to provide is proof of funds. Now this might be a property purchase that you're buying using your own money, or it could be a joint venture partner and you're using their money to purchase the property. So if it's your money or the investor money, you're going to need to send a proof of purchase or proof of funds over to the estate agent. Third thing you're going to need to send over to the estate agent is proof of address. So this is a utility bill, maybe a gas, water, electric, phone bill, because what the agent needs to do is do what's called KYC checks, know your client, and AML checks, anti-money laundering checks on you to make sure you are who you say you are. The fourth thing that the estate agent is going to need is your solicitor details. So make sure you've got a solicitor in hand and you have those details that you can just email over to the agent so they know that, again, you are serious and you have the correct power team in place. And the fifth thing you're going to need to provide is details of your broker. Who are you using to get the mortgage? And once you have these things in place and you've sent them over to the agent, they will then get to work for you. And look, here's the great thing about business and property. Once you've got the team in place, once you know what you need to provide, you send it all over, you do one email, you copy in 3 or 4 people, and then your team will go and do the work for you. So let's just do a quick recap of the 5 things that you're going to need to provide. Number 1 is proof of address. Number 2 is your ID. Number 3 is proof of funds. Number 4 is your solicitor details. And number 5 is the broker that you're going to use that is going to source the mortgage for you. And once you've been in a position where you've done this once, you're going to know what you're doing. You're going to get more confident. You're going to build a good team around you. And then you can really start to scale the property business. Thanks very much for tuning in to this episode of Tips on a Tuesday. If you have liked this video, please now share the video with a friend or family member. Let's get this message out to as many people as possible. Please add in a comment or a question below and also give me a big thumbs up. Now remember to stay tuned for more videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday at 7:30 p.m. and go ahead right now and watch another one of my videos.